Wonderful Volkswagen Golf Mark I Cabriolet. Wow. BMW Z3M. And here, this is the one we have seen before on the road. Mercedes-Benz 200. And what is this? The taillights are like from the Opel Corsa A and the the Vauxhall Nova, but this is something different. It's a micro car. Oh goodness. Well, if you're retired and have no money, then maybe this could be a solution to still drive around in town at least. Oh. The light is on, at least one, so the parking light. And here Z3M, beautiful. BMW 850i. Also a wonderful coupe. But I've also heard if this car is having some issues, then it can cost a fortune. Wonderful baby bands. In one of these colors that have been very popular back then. 190e. I'm always wondering why there aren't so many 190d. I mean, of course, the 190e is more desirable, but well, the diesels are also known to last forever. But perhaps these also have the most kilometers on the clock. Anyway, here, wonderful 2.3 liter. Oh, what a nice color. I guess this is one of the last ones. Avant-garde, Sportline. Pretty much one from the 90s. Very beautiful. So here, Mercedes-Benz W124. Oh, that's also a nice color. Never seen before on a Golf Cabriolet. Here, Fiat 124 Spider. So here's the Spider. Here's the Golf. And here's the E-Class. Also haven't seen one of these for a long time. Daihatsu Feroza. Back when I was still seeing more Daihatsus on the road. They have also completely vanished. Amazing. Take a look at this. So it's looking like a Fiat, but this was so built by NSU. This is the Neckar Special. I think it's based on the 1100 or is it the 1300, but at least based on the Fiat. So this is the NSU Fiat. You can also tell it. NSU Fiat Neckar. Beautiful. Was built in license by NSU back then. And with the NSU badge, well, actually it's also still the NSU Fiat badge in this case. We also had a different front grille compared to the Fiat. Amazing. And really a very rare sight. Another Fiat 124 Spider. And a BMW E36 convertible. I was saying I don't see many of them, but today it's already the second or third one. Oh, E-Class Mercedes-Benz 200D. Reminds me that I haven't been, take a look here, only 180 kilometers per hour. That I haven't been at the Classics and Coffee for quite some time now. This is also the last BMW 5 Series that I really like by the design. Oh, take a look at this iconic car. Volkswagen Lupo 3L. This was the 3-liter car. So fuel consumption very low, only 3 liters on 100 kilometers. And even diesel, so even cheaper. Pontiac Tempest. Ah, beautiful. These 3-liter Lupos also had a different grille for more aerodynamics. Oh, there's also a wonderful Opel Vectra that I would like to film. Here a wonderful Ford F-Series F250 camper special. Can someone tell me why it's called a camper? Because I mean, I'm only seeing the loading bed here, Explorer. So to me it's just a pickup truck. Was it maybe delivered with some camping stuff? So Volkswagen 1303 S, and here, whoa, Opel Ascona 19, and here the Opel Vectra is driving back and forth. Curious if he finds a spot. Loving these, the facelift and a wonderful German racing green. Beautiful. Now back to the Ascona. The Ascona was also one of the predecessors of the Opel Vectra. The black stuff around the grille was usually in chrome. This seems to have painted into black, which wasn't usually the case. Here a Beetle, yeah, the 1303. And just for the people who don't know the difference about the 1302 and 1303, also I'm actually telling it in every video, but yeah, we have here the curved window. So this is the 1303, and we have the bigger dashboard, which is actually looking like a dashboard, or like a modern dashboard, let's say it this way, because it's not a dashboard like as at the very old cars. It was just really a board, a wooden board. W108 280S. Also a nice piece. Truly loving the design of Mercedes-Benz of these days. Just to look at these nice curves. Very nice. Volkswagen ID.3. You know, one thing, the one on the right is more than 20 years old. Is this electric vehicle getting 20 years or 30 old? I have no idea. I have my doubts. Because when the battery needs to get replaced, then yeah, the car is gone. So here, beautiful, the Opel Vectra A, the second series, so it's an A2, so the facelift. I really like these. These have been also so popular back then. Absolutely amazing, even in this color, but especially in this color, German racing green. In the UK it was the Vauxhall Cavalier. Also another beauty in German racing green, Volkswagen Golf Mark III convertible. Beautiful. Really loving these Mark IIIs. take a look at this color. Beautiful. That's a Pink Floyd special edition. Wonderful.